Hey everyone, this is Razvan, and in today's video we will create our first TypeScript application. Before we start, make sure that you installed the following prerequisites. We've already seen in the previous tutorial how to install npm and node, and regarding TypeScript compiler, you can simply open up a terminal and use this npm command. We will be needing an IDE. My recommendation is Visual Studio Code. It's popular, free, with really nice features, and compatible with platforms like Linux, Windows, and macOS. Let's get started by creating a new project folder. Open Visual Studio Code, File, Open Folder, select the project folder, OK, create a new file, and I'm sure you wouldn't expect that, but we will be printing out the hello world message. So create a new file called 01hello.ts. The method that prints out a message in JavaScript is called console.log. Please notice that you have to manually save the file by pressing Ctrl S. The next step is to transpile the file using the TypeScript compiler. To do that, open up a terminal from the View menu and type tsc followed by the file name. We already learned about the transpiling process, which implies converting the code from a programming language into another programming language. This is exactly what happened in our case. The TypeScript compiler converted the TypeScript code into JavaScript code, resulting this new JavaScript file. If we open up the .js file, you will notice that the code happens to be the same because the console.log is the same in both languages. You will encounter lots of other scenarios that will have a totally different syntax according to each language. We already talked about Node as well, regarding the fact that it allows us to run JavaScript code outside of the browser. Let's use it in our example to get the output of the JavaScript file. Node filename.js. This is it. We managed to print out the hello world message. Let's have a brief summary. We started with a TypeScript file, wrote some code, then we used the TypeScript compiler to transpile and generate a new JavaScript file, which was used by Node to print out the hello world message.